Hello again guys, so for today's video, let's try Matty's Doner Kebab. It is located in Front Lagyud sa Ateneo Jacinto na gate, so mo ng Ateneo guys, and naara siya diri sa Pika side. This is their menu guys, feel free to pause it and to check out all their food offerings. It's a small kiosk lang yun guys, and naapoy tables and chairs para sa mga ganan magkaon diri. After a few minutes, niabot na ang ako ang mga gipang order and tara, tasingan na nato ni siya guys. By the way guys, I ordered their Doner Kebab for 150 pesos and this is what it looks like up close. Pag try nako guys, wala na undang ang show, lami gyud kaayo siya guys, promise. The sauce was very flavorful, unya ang meat grabe niya kasiksik, unya ang bread gani niya guys kanang gahi-gahi, which is I really like. Kanang sakto gid iyahang pagka-toast, just the way I like it. Walay binuang guys, gusto pa jud na ko mag-order isa pa, kinakulangan jud ko sa ako ang isa ka order. Anyway, if naamo sa Jacinto area guys, you really have to try Matty's Doner Kebab. Take it from me guys, dili jud mo magmahay. So kato lang guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye!